I'm Dr. Malik. Today we'll talk what is the difference between millets and quinoa. Quinoa, they call it quinoa also. Quinoa. They are also small seeds. They are also small seeds. But what is the main difference between millets and quinoa? See, millets are grains. Millets are food grains. They are cereals. They are cereals like paddy and wheat. Like paddy and wheat, millets are cereals. Whereas quinoa, these are nothing but seeds of some green leafy vegetables like amaranth family, amaranth, palak, these are there. Amaranth family of green leafy vegetables, they produce some seeds. They say produce seeds. These are the seeds of quinoa. They are not cereals. They are not pulses. They are not any regular grains we are going to take. No, they are just seeds of amaranth family green leafy vegetables seeds. But what is the importance of it? Initially, let's talk about rice, wheat, sugar, maida, jaggery produced from sugarcane. See, I have been telling you, you can take little quantities of jaggery that comes from toddy tree, or toddy tree. The jaggery which is made from toddy tree, you can take little bit for sweetening, but not the jaggery that is coming from sugarcane. Strictly avoid that. And honey also should be avoided. So rice, wheat, sugar, maida, jaggery, and honey, these are the things to be avoided in our food. These are the main things to be avoided in our food to prevent metabolic syndrome. That means your diabetes, your hypertension, your obesity, your PCOD in females, that is small cysts in the ovaries, and infertility in males, female infertility. All these things can be reversed. By just stopping rice, wheat, sugar, maida, jaggery, and honey. These are the things to be stopped, and switch over to millets and quinoa. In the place of rice and wheat, please try to switch to millets. I've talked a lot on millets. So many people are talking. Dr. Khadarwali, he has done so many experiments, and he has given 5 types of millets. 5 types of millets. What is the advantage of millets? High fiber content, 9 to 12% of fiber content. It is also a small grain. It is a cereal, just like rice, wheat. It is also a cereal, but high fiber containing small grain. 9 to 12% fiber. Rest of the contents are just like wheat and rice, because they are also cereals. Millets are nothing but cereals. Whereas when you come to quinoa, that is how they spell it. When they come to this, it is not a cereal or it is not a pulse. Quinoa is having, these are seeds of amaranth family green leafy vegetables. They are high fiber containing 5 to 10 fiber. 9 to 12 in millets, 5 to 10 in fiber containing. Especially protein. When you talk of quinoa, you must talk of protein. Very high protein containing and very good quality protein will be available. Usually we all know protein is made up of these amino acid chains. Amino acids, they form the protein. So there are essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those which are not made inside the body. You have to take it from outside. So essential amino acids mix up with non-essential amino acids and they form the protein. But in this quinoa, you have essential, non-essential, all the amino acids are available in this protein. High protein containing seeds, high fiber containing seeds, high mineral containing seeds. For example, magnesium, etc. There are so many minerals in it. So my suggestion is, please, millets and quinoa, they must be, you can take it as a balance. For example, you are taking breakfast millets, you are taking lunch millets, please switch over to quinoa in the dinner. Quinoa in the dinner. Millets breakfast, particularly fermented millets for breakfast. Fermented millets for breakfast. There are 5 types of millets, isn't it? 2 days. Please use one millet. For example, you are using today some little millet today. Tomorrow you please switch to some other millet. 2 days each millet. 2 days each. Don't mix the millets. 2 days each millet. So quinoa, please take in the night. Dinner. For dinner you take quinoa. This is the best way. This is the best way. Breakfast, particularly fermented millets. Fermented millet. Previous night, cook them previous night. Take next day morning. For example, yesterday night cooked. Today morning at 7:30 you have the breakfast. That is the best for your bacterial flora inside from mouth to anus. The intestine will contain healthy bacteria. I have been talking about it, and so many people are talking about it. All big doctors are talking about it. So fermented millets in the night, cook them in the night, take it as breakfast next day morning. That is the best. Okay, and quinoa can be taken in the night. So breakfast, fermented millets, lunch millets, and night dinner should be quinoa. This is the best diet you can have. Again, particularly quinoa is, I make it very clear, it is not a food grain. That means it is not a cereal, or it is not a pulse or anything which we have read in books. It is the seeds of, these are the seeds of amaranth family green leafy vegetables. Okay, but doesn't matter. My advice is, don't only take quinoa morning, afternoon, night. Please take millets 2 times, and in the night you try to take quinoa. That is the best. And one more thing is, what others you have to take it. Pulses you have to take, legumes you have to take, and non-veg, any type of non-veg, because these are regular regular protein containing things. Pulses, legumes, and non-veg you take. And as far as oils are concerned, I suggest coconut oil is the best. Ghee is also the best, and other cold pressed oils only cold pressed oils. Don't purchase oils from outside shops, please. Cold pressed oils. Nowadays they are available in every village. So whether it is groundnut oil, whether it is sesame, that is til oil, etc., all the things you must take it from cold pressed oils only, we suggest. This is the best diet you can have. This just for some time. See whether you have the diseases or not. Particularly if you are above 50 and above 60, switch over. You have eaten enough of wheat, you have eaten enough of rice, enough of sugar, enough of milk products, enough of everything. So ice creams, etc., enough of it. So right now it is the time to concentrate on your health, and your health depends on millets and quinoa, etc., other things, and pulses, legumes, coconut, ghee, cold pressed oils only. These are the things. So, and particularly if you are having this metabolic syndrome, that is diabetes, hypertension, obesity, all the things, hirsutism is excessive hair and unwanted hair for females, and PCOD, small cysts in the ovaries for females causing infertility, male infertility, all these things. Switch over the diet from regular this diet to millets and quinoa diet. That is the only advice every doctor is giving nowadays. Please switch over as early as